Man, I can't believe that last one didn't work. I have no idea why. Well, here's a view actually from the house looking out at the street. Actually from the driveway. Here's the house. This is what the kids see when they come up to the door. Everything lit up. And a spooky, flashy ghost. And there's actually in the background, I can't see it, not enough light, but there's actually my corn is actually growing right there naturally, still on the ground. I can't really walk very well tonight, otherwise I'd give you the grand tour, but it looks much more spectacular. Kids come up, and it's kind of scary. What makes it more scary though is that this gate for the fence, it's covered in black netting that swings open real easy, and I've been standing back here. Just while I was waiting, I came up with this idea. There was this glowing solar lamp sitting on top of a propane tank over there, and I found an old piece of bubble wrap and tied it around it and tied it to the end of my staff, my walking stick, and I can stick it up over the top of the fence as the kids come up. It looks like a ghost. Anyway, and that's the other thing too. Listen to the sound. I found this by accident. Oh, this is my elbow, my sleeve rubbing up against the minivan window. Creepy as hell. Listen to this. I can do all kinds of sound effects. It echoes throughout the minivan. It's a perfect thing in the backyard. Not only that, since it's a handicap van, I can push on the lever for the brakes. It lights up from behind the black curtain. Uh-oh. There it goes. It gives it a spooky effect too. Scared the hell out of somebody. Alright, anyways, too much fun. Well, maybe a little bit too much drink too.